Are you someone who get confused about lot of noise around workshop, webinar, masterclass, challenge, bootcamp? Which one exactly to start? I completely with you because I was exactly at the same point, same confusing moment while I started my coaching business. So if you're a starter, if you're completely confused about listening to all these jargons, just hold on. I am here to help you. If you are attending for the first time here, if you're watching me first time here, my name is Sagar Sangam Sahu. For the past 3 years, I've been into internet marketing industry, started with affiliate marketing, now into coaching and helping our coaches and creators to monetize their audience using organic methods and helping them to scale their business using one-to-many sales. Okay, so let's get started. I will be talking about 7 different funnel that you can start with. So don't get confused. First, understand what is the difference between all these 7s and don't implement at one go. Pick 1 or 2 and test it. Okay, and I'll be giving you the essence of each one event, and I'll be talking about the 6th one, which is very powerful, which has given me more money, and the second one which has given me more reach. You want to know? Let's get started. So before even you started launching any one-to-many event, it can be a masterclass, bootcamp, whatever you call it, first understand what is the importance of that, because you have a paid program. It can be one-to-one coaching, it can be group coaching, it can be mastermind, anything, whatever you're planning. If you're a starter, maybe you're starting with one-to-one coaching itself, okay, giving some sessions, but how to do it through one-to-many events? So understanding the importance of one-to-many event, which is kind of free or taking a little charge. The little charge is not a money-making things for you. It is just a commitment that you get from the audience. So what is the importance of this one-to-many event is always to give value, and like how you test drive any car, similarly your audience will test drive your skill, your knowledge, your coaching style. Okay, they try to see it, get value, then their perceived value is more when you give them offer. That is the objective, because you cannot directly go and sell directly in the upfront. Here's my product, buy it. Nobody is going to buy. Even you will not buy from somebody else unless there's a huge exception is there, like you have a problem, you are going to buy that. But if you really wanted to sell something, first add value. That's why I call this one-to-many is an offer, something you add value, that we call value offer. Okay, so what is the value offer? And value offer where you add value and people buy your next level product. So there are 7 strategies that I have tried and tested, and I'll talk about which one I'm currently doing it regularly. The first one is webinar and masterclass. I've done very least, because webinar where you just give informations, but there is a very less transformation happens. That is my way of looking at webinar. You will get breakthroughs through understanding different concepts. So in webinar model, you just give informations and you give an offer to the last. So normally you teach 1 hour to secret number 1, secret number 2, secret number 3, then you give an offer after 1 hour. But what I believe is something that works best for me is the workshop. For workshop and webinar, the difference between workshop and webinar is where you give informations, but in workshop you make them do something live. So what kind of things that you can make them do live? You can ask them to type in the comment box, giving 1 minute, 2 minute time to do that task, or you can make them to join a breakout room to work with a small team, or sharing the experience of that particular task. This is how workshop should be, so that you make them do something. And I've seen people got result then and there, and it is slightly more than webinar. The duration is slightly more than webinar, because when you take action, it will take some time. After workshop, the perceived value of the audience is really more. That's why I got maximum conversions from free workshop. Third one, it is also free workshop, but you don't need to share recordings. If somebody want to recordings, then you can create an offer that if you want recording, you can buy a VIP ticket, but you'll be access to a recording, because people don't watch recording. So to make them serious and go and watch that recording, you can keep it $499. You can add some other bonuses like templates, or you can, if you're starting journey, you can also add one-to-one call as a bonus inside this VIP upsell. It is a $499 rupees. The fourth one is, which is a paid workshop. Only people have to pay something to join. See, one more thing I would like to share. This is not your money making model. So this is not your money making products where you charge something for workshop. So you are charging something to either you want to self liquidate your ads budget, or your intention is to take it seriously. So that maximum people will show up, because when people sign up for free, they maximum times they take it for granted. They don't attend because there are a lot of free workshop webinar is happening. But when you charge something little bit, they will be very serious about it. So they will show up for the call because they paid for it. So 99 rupees to 500 rupees you can charge to get commitment. So I have also tried that. But yes, here the numbers will be little low as far as the free workshop is concerned. So you must have seen a lot of people charge for this. And fifth one is 3-day to 5-day challenge, which is free. So which is 1 hour to 1.5 hours, or sometimes 2 hours per day. You can make them to do something at the end. You give them some tasks so that they will go and take action. So what will happen is in 3-day to 5-day challenges, let's suppose you are not confident enough to sell in 90 minutes or 2 or 3 hours. So people have resistance to pay even 2 hour or 3 hours workshop. Okay. Now, when you actually spend 5 days with them, definitely the connection has been built, because every day they are doing something. So the perceived value is also very high, because they think, okay, I have done a lot of stuff in the last 3 days or 5 days. So the chances of upgrading to your paid program is more than masterclass or workshop. And you don't have to sell low ticket product over here. You can easily sell your mid ticket or high ticket over here. Now, to sell high ticket, I'll be taking another YouTube video. If you really want to learn that how to sell high ticket through 3-day to 5-day challenge, I'll be definitely creating it. But I need that you really need it. If you really need it, type in the comment box high ticket. If I get at least 10 comment, I'll create another video that how to sell high ticket programs through One2Many events. Then another part, sixth one, is 3-day to 5-day challenge plus VIP upsell. This is the one which worked best. Let me tell you what exactly I do. I do 3-day intensive, and those who want to get recording, I give them a VIP upsell. That is a 499 rupees. In VIP upsell, I give them some templates, some script, and also some definitely recording. And the powerful one is one-to-one call. In one-to-one call, I give them that this is a really value call. Normally I charge 10,000 rupees, but being part of this event, you will be getting this. Now, looking into your number, you need to take care of this particular VIP upsell. You can charge as per that. I have seen people charge $47, 3,000, 2,000 rupees, but I charge 499 rupees because I usually have 30-40 people. Okay, and out of that, 15 to 20 people buy it. And also there is one bonus that I add is one-to-one, and that one-to-one call helped me to understand much better, and that also helps me to convert more to my high ticket sales. This is the best running model that helped me to generate, I think, whatever amount I have made in my coaching business, more than 50% of that coaching business came from this model. And seventh is which is long-term challenge. I started with this exactly, and for the first 3 challenge that I did for Facebook Live, because my first product was Facebook Live, teaching how to do Facebook Live. And I started with 21-day challenge, and I did 3 challenge and never faced anything. People used to come and ask me, okay, give me some paid offer. I used to promote affiliate product that point of time, but this is very, very good when it comes to niche like health or habit building, and you can literally charge good amount in the front end itself for this type of paid One-to-Many event. And after 30 days, if somebody is spending 30 days with you, 21 days with you, easily you can sell high ticket. Whatever high ticket that you offer, that you have, you can definitely do that. I hope you get a little bit clarity about the different types of One-to-Many events. And one more thing that I would like to give you bonus tip, that do not change your funnel or any One-to-Many event if it is working for you. I've done this mistake because I know workshop works for me. Then for almost 2-3 months, I stopped that. So the thing is, I was lacking in my funnel. So don't change something is working for you. Second thing is, even still you are confused कि यार सागर क्या करना है, pick 1 or 2 or maximum 3 model and test each one of the events. That is the best way to know that which is working for you, because nobody can give you this. This is going to help you. I've given you the perspective. What is the context behind all this event? I want to know from you which one place you wanted to try right now. Right now means like in coming days, which one event out of 7 that you are going to try it right now. If you're still confused, test it. Tell me in the comment box. And thank you so much. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more valuable training like this. And I'm super excited to serve you here in YouTube channel. And do share with someone who really confused about different type of One-to-Many event they're planning. They're completely confused, like workshop karna hai, masterclass karna hai, webinar karna hai, bootcamp karna hai, whatever it is. Just share with them. And thank you so much for watching.